This bird can hit 390 kilometers an hour, faster than a Formula One car at full throttle. Meet the Peregrine Falcon, the fastest animal that has ever lived, on land, sea, or air. When it spots prey, it folds its wings into a teardrop shape and drops out of the sky in what's called a stoop. It's not flying anymore. It's falling on purpose. A cheetah tops out around 100 kilometers an hour. This bird nearly quadruples that speed, using gravity as a weapon. Special cone-shaped bumps in its nostrils slow down the air so it can actually breathe at that speed. Most animals would black out. One strike, no second chances. That's 300 million years of evolution, compressed into 3 seconds. Which animal should I break down next? Comment below.